In this video I'm gonna start talking about developing graphical user interface. The first screen is for the customer table. To create a screen, go to Administration GUI Screen Editor. Press the plus button, type screen label and select Screen module. Switch to the Properties tab, enter the screen identifier into the code field and the menu path to this screen into the subject field. Enter the size of the layout grid. You can use any convenient size. On the Data tab, create a data source for your screen. Customer table, Demo1 module. Add all data source fields. Note that the ID field was created automatically. Switch over to the Operations tab and add operations you want to run on this screen. You will need all operations. The View tab is for describing the screen parts. Create here a part of the table type which takes up the whole screen. In the Data Source field, enter the customer data source. The part actions are added automatically. Mark that you want to show only the name field on this part. To sort the table on this field, type 1 into the sort order. You can use several sort fields if you want. Set the screen position for this part. The part takes up the entire screen, columns 1 to 240 and rows 1 to 240. Switch to the Screens tab. You can preview a screen, continue editing or install it. The screen is now in the menu. Open it. The screen interface is intuitive. Add some customers to the table. The second screen is for the product table. Hit plus button, enter label and module, enter screen code and path in the menu, layout grid size, create a data source, all fields, all operations, View tab, create a part, visible fields, sort order, and set the screen position for this part. The product screen is ready. If you want, you can install it without preview. Add some products to the table. Now you are able to create simple table screens. Thank you for viewing.